The NEBOSH Health and Safety at Work qualification is an introductory qualification on health and safety. It's aimed at supervisors, team leaders, skilled workers, in fact anybody who's got responsibility for the health and safety of either themselves or of other people. And it's designed to give an overview of the subject, looking at the hazards that are found in a typical workplace and also the control measures that should be put in place. Well, we were seeing a big increase in the number of students taking our qualifications from China. English isn't very well spoken, and that was really a problem. So we introduced the Health and Safety at Work qualification in Mandarin for people kind of working as supervisors, as team leaders, to help them to develop their skills in health and safety. We're planning on offering the qualification in French and Portuguese, and we're aiming to trial the introduction of those by the end of 2012, and we're strongly considering introducing it in Korean as well. We are already extremely active in India. In fact, India is the single largest number of students outside of the UK for us at the moment. China, obviously, we're working in, and hopefully this new Mandarin qualification will increase the number of students coming through from China. Russia is also a very big market for us, particularly in the oil and gas industry, and we've been offering our International General Certificate in Russian since about 2007. Brazil is a market that we're starting to look at, and that's why we're considering offering the Health and Safety at Work qualification in Portuguese. Chinese companies are competing in a global marketplace, and increasingly they're partnering with energy companies based in the West, based in the Middle East, and to those companies health and safety is very important. You know, it's a very strong value, and it's about protecting their workforce and also protecting their capital assets as well. And what we're finding is that Chinese companies are requiring their employees to take our qualifications to prove that they've got a level of competence in health and safety so that they can work effectively with the health and safety management systems. We have two course providers permanently based in China, both Chinese companies, one in Beijing and one in Shenzhen. And we also have a number of UK-based course providers who are active in China. We've seen registrations from Chinese students in China go up by 55% this year. But more importantly, we're seeing a lot of Chinese students take the qualifications outside of China, particularly where they're working as contractors in the Middle East, in North Africa and in the Pacific Rim. We're not just interested in improving and promoting health, safety and environmental protection in the UK. We're interested in improving working conditions for people wherever in the world they work.